Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Trishna, I'm a CA Inter student, and I recently appeared for my September 25 exams and currently waiting for my results. So, what is this video going to be about? Well, a couple of you asked me to review Ultimate CA, the teachers, and how are the classes, the content, etc. etc. So, that is exactly what this video is going to be about. So, let's get started. So I took all my classes from UCA itself. मैंने एक combo वाला purchase किया था जिसमें it had both the groups, group 1, group 2. And I received approximately 20 books, if I'm not wrong. I haven't counted in a long while. And उनमें से कुछ books मैंने यहाँ पे रखी हुई है. I'll show a couple of them in this video as well. So let's start with group 1. First of all, we have tax. Tax was taught by Gaba sir. वो बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं. He starts with the basic, of course, as everyone. And his method of teaching वो story telling करके पढ़ाते हैं. मतलब if there's a new topic, let's say math या AMT वाला, then he told us the entire story about the Reliance and how AMT was brought into action because of that entire thing. So that way, when you read a particular concept, तो सारी चीज़ें आपके दिमाग में रहती हैं. So that is how he teaches. That's his way of teaching, and honestly, I loved it. If you study tax from him, it'll be super duper easy. In fact, being a BCom honor student, I had already studied tax in my graduation subject, and मुझे उससे बहुत ज़्यादा डर लग रहा था कि यार कैसे होगा टैक्स, कैसे होगा, मुझे तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आने वाला. But as soon as my inter classes started, and guess what, by the end of the classes, I fell in love with tax. In fact, I might get a lot of hate for this, but one of my favorite chapters is TGBP. I just love it. वो बहुत easy है. I think the hard part is that there are a lot of provisions, but if you look at it from a bird's eye view, TGBP is an easy chapter. So that is one of my favorite chapters. And if you are a CA student, I'm pretty sure you have heard of Gaba sir. इससे पहले भी कई बार. So feel free to look at his demo classes, and yeah, you won't regret it. Next up, we have law. लॉ के लिए IG सर taught us law. मैंने IG सर का बैच लिया था. पहले there used to be two options, एक दीपिका मैम का, एक IG सर का. So because Deepika ma'am was already teaching audit, so I wanted thoda variation. That's why I took the batch where IG sir was teaching us law. So again, very amazing teacher. Unke examples, I'll just leave that to you. He gives very amazing examples. I have a book of law. You can see this is the question bank law ka. It has all the questions and important questions along with answers from PYQ, RTP and MTP. So if you want to do writing practice, this is the only book you need to refer to. But if you say you took class from someone else, then you can refer to other PYQs, RTP, etc. But if you wish to enroll in UCA, this is the only book you'll need for your writing practice. Coming to the book, there are two books, एक volume 1, एक volume 2. And it's a very summarized form of ICAI's module. So you have literally everything which is there in the ICAI module in very simple terms. And you can, in fact, you can use those terms in your original answer writing in your exams. It's very simple. And yeah, he teaches really well. And you can watch his demo classes as well. And if you want an option there, Shubham sir as well, of course, he is one of the best when it comes to law. So you might have two options here. So I took from IG sir because I wanted the entire combo, and of course I do not regret it in the least bit. And he will always reply to your doubts on Telegram till the end of the day. He'll help you out. He's always available on Telegram, so that's a really good thing. Now moving on to our next subject, which is accounts. तेजस सर amazing. उनके पढ़ाने का तरीका बहुत डिफरेंट है. Whatever you study, वो इतने logically पढ़ाएंगे, you will remember it forever. I remember there's this, of course, AS3 cash flow statement. We all have studied it in our, what do you call it? Graduation में भी पढ़ा है, 12th में भी पढ़ा है, but just like all of you, I also just रट्टोफाइड it. मैं पूरा रट्टा मार के गई थी. and I never knew the logic behind it. But once I studied that particular AS from Tejas sir, it all made sense. Became very simple for me. I never had to. You will never have to remember the format. He teaches it in a manner, and it's purely logical. Uh, there's no ABCD ka mnemonic or something. It's just pure logic behind it, and that's the same case with all AS, whether it be your AS20 or EPS wala, any AS. It's super amazing. Again, coming to Tejas sir's book, I have that as well over here. This is his book, Gyan Ban. This book is a collection of all the AS in a very beautifully written manner. It has like, it's a very colorful book. I'll just show you one of the AS. Yeah, you can see segment reporting. It's very colorful and very engaging. You won't be bored while you are studying. So this book is one of my favorite books. It has all the AS summarized, but if you want to practice questions, there's another book which is this thick. It's called Question Khazana, and it has all the questions from your RTPs, MTPs, PYQs, everything. So that's a wonderful thing. Now let's switch to group 2. I'll keep group 2 a little quick because the video might be very long and I don't want it to be quite long. So coming to audit Deepika ma'am padhati hai. The best thing about audit classes was that it was hardly 1.5 hours long because the subject is entirely theoretical. हाँ उसका practical application होता है sure, but for us it's entirely theoretical and it's a huge issue to just read theory per time. So it's good that the class is of just 1.5 hours. And the way she teaches, ma'am एक topic भी क्या, suppose we took joint auditor, उसको बहुत अच्छे से time लगा के पढ़ाते हैं and you can ask doubts as many times as you want. डांट पड़ेगी लेकिन मैम समझा देगी बहुत अच्छे से. She teaches really nice, and if you want demo classes of her as well, you can just review it on UCA ka channel. So that, and now coming to costing. Okay, costing by Pranav sir. Again, if you're a CA student, then you must know Pranav sir. He is famous for his pre-exam marathons. Even I came across Pranav sir when I was in foundation actually. So I was looking at his pre-exam marathon and I was like, okay, this is the teacher I want to study from in my inter classes. So again, Pranav sir has the same funda when it comes to formulas and costing ke logics and chapters. He will teach you everything in a manner that you won't feel like that you have to learn the formulas. Frankly speaking, there are more than 100-200 formulas in costing, and I never felt like I had to learn any of them. By the end of the classes, exam से एक दिन पहले, because एक दिन का ही gap मिलता है, I didn't feel like I have to ratify all the formula. मेरे दिमाग में सब कुछ चला गया था. Be it your PV ratio, overall BEP निकाला, या फिर your variances, everything. He will teach you formulas with such logic that अगर तुम बीच में फॉर्मूला भूल भी गए, उसमें अगर थोड़ा सा लॉजिक लगाओगे तो अपने आप ही याद आ जाएगा. दैट इज़ हाउ ही टीचेस ब्यूटिफुली. एंड ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस कराते हैं, PYQs की, RTPs की, एवरीथिंग. ही इज़ देयर विथ यू टिल द वेरी एंड ऑफ द एग्जाम्स. So go for Pranav sir for costing. I don't think there's anyone more amazing than him. Then lastly, we have FMSM. Oh, before we move forward, I had book of audit as well. I forgot to show it to you. The most amazing thing about audit is it summary book. बहुत प्यारी summary book से there is all the pointers short करके लिखे हुए. I'll just show it to you. This is audit ka summary book. It's very amazing. I did most of my studying from here itself. You can see everything is in very chota pointers. Okay, now that that's over, I'll just show you FMSM ki book and talk a little about MB sir. This is the FM handwritten book. Now, if you are one of those weirdos like me, yes, I am those weirdos जिसको हैंड रिटन नोट से पढ़ने की आदत है. आई एम फिजिकली इनकेपेबल ऑफ रीडिंग और स्टडिंग फ्रॉम प्रिंटेड मटीरियल. Even in school, I had to, if we were given some PDFs, I had to write it down so that I was able to study it. So I'm one of those weirdos. So if you are one of those people, then this book is your Sanjeevani booty for you, because I'll just show you why. This is how this book is drafted. Everything is handwritten. Like literally, everything is handwritten. So of course there are blanks, so that you are able to fill those blanks along with sir in the class. So it's like book पूरी लिखी हुई है, printed, handwritten है, and there are blanks. And when you are watching the classes, you will fill those blanks. So ऐसा नहीं है कि you are just looking into the book and just बस पढ़ रहे. It's not like that. You are filling your book with sir. So this book is my favorite. The concept behind this book is amazing. The same goes with SM as well. SM की book भी ऐसे ही बनी हुई है. In fact, SM में the most amazing thing is the mnemonics. There are so many good mnemonics. It will help you learn answers like this. It helped me a lot. And SM पढ़ाते टाइम सर इतने सारे एग्जाम्पल्स देते हैं, रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल्स. राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिमेंबर, बट ही गेव अस अ लॉट ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स. कोई अगर टॉपिक पढ़ा है, जैसे विजन मिशन का टॉपिक है, ही शोड अस अ लॉट ऑफ कंपनीज एंड देयर विजन मिशंस and how what elements does it comprise of, all those things. And then strategy implementations and mergers and acquisitions, horizontal merger, vertical merger, etc, etc. He gave us a lot of examples. So SM was very smooth with him. Coming to FM, again, very simple formulas, very logical. He taught us in a way that we didn't have to learn it. In fact, chapter 9, I believe, working capital management wala, it has so many formulas. Like, I'll just show it to you, the amount of formulas this particular chapter had. When I first opened this chapter, I was like, oh shit, अब क्या करेंगे, इतने सारे formulas कैसे याद होंगे. Let me just scare you for a bit. There you go. Like, look at the amount of, these are all formulas. These are not notes. These are all formulas. And you know what? I didn't learn any of these. Not because I skipped the chapter. I didn't skip the chapter. I covered my entire syllabus. So I didn't have to learn any of these formulas because it didn't make sense to learn the formulas. It was simply you just had to apply unitary method, etc, etc. It just came to you logically. So FM with sir is super amazing. FM की भी एक book है. It's FM compiler करके. It's this thick book and it has all the PYQ, RTP, MTP and types of questions. वो भी हम classes में solve करते हैं and so, हमें homeworks दे देते हैं. And illustrations and ICI module के questions, we solve each and every one of them. When it comes to compiler, of course, sir gives that compiler to us as homework because it's not practically possible to complete the entire compiler in class. So we just ask our doubts in the next class. That's how it works. So if you want, you can watch his lectures as well as demo on UCA. Personally, I loved all the teachers. सबका पढ़ाने का तरीका resonated a lot with me. And yeah, it's amazing. Well, that was all for this video. If you have any questions regarding the batch, the classes, any teacher or any books, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I would love to help you out. Till then, bye bye. I'll see you in the next one.